All right, on the next page of the Lesson 12 homework, we're going to do some problem solving. So I like to use the bar model a lot when I problem solve, and so let's just show an example. And for number 2, it says Yi Ting weighs 8.8 3/10 kilograms. Her older brother is 4 times as heavy as Yi Ting. So I'm going to just say YT for Yi Ting. And I'm going to give him a bar about that long and label it 8.3. And then it says her older brother is 4 times as heavy as Yi Ting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to label brother, and then I'm going to make the brother 4 times as much as Yi Ting. So there's going to be the brother once. Obviously, there's going to be Yi Ting once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So, seeing this representation, we can tell what we need to do to solve this problem. How much does her brother weigh in kilograms? So this is Yi Ting, and this is her brother. So I can see that I can either add 8.3 4 times, or repeated addition is also multiplication. And since we're working on multiplication, we're going to go ahead and multiply. So this would be 8 3/10 times 4. All right, so I'm going to go 8 3/10 times 4. And I'm going to go ahead and multiply the 4 times the 3, and I get 12, carry the 1. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 1 is 33. Now to figure out where that decimal goes, I'm going to go ahead and estimate. So I'm going to round 8.3 to 8, because that's the nearest whole number. 8 times 4 equals 32. So in order for this answer to be close to 32, that must mean that the decimal has to go between the 3 and the 2, because 33 and 2/10 is pretty close to 32. So I estimated to check the reasonableness of my answer, and I have one more thing to do, and that is to write the answer in a complete sentence that answers the question. It says, how much does her brother weigh in kilograms? So Yi Ting's brother weighs 33 2/10 kilograms. And that's how we do the first one. All right, let's take a look at the second one. Tim is painting a storage shed. He buys 4 gallons of white paint and 3 gallons of blue paint. Okay, so 4 gallons, so here's what I'll do. I'm going to label white, 4 gallons. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3 gallons of blue paint. So blue. 1, 2, 3. All right. Each gallon of white paint cost $15.72. So each gallon is $15.72. All right, and each gallon of blue paint is $21.87. $21.87. All right, how much will Tim spend in all? on paint. Estimate to check the reasonableness of your answer. Okay, so in order to figure out what he spent in all, I have to figure out the total of all of this. All right, so what I can do is I can see some repeated addition, which is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply 15 and 72 hundredths times 4. And I'm going to multiply 21 and 87 hundredths times 3. So let's go ahead and do that. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 7 is 28. Put the 8 down, carry the 2. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2 is 22, carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. Now I'm going to go ahead and estimate. So this is close to 16. So 16 times 4, you can do that on the side. 16 times 4 is 64. So in order to make 62 in order to make this number close to 64, I want to put the decimal right in the middle there, because 62 and 88 hundredths is close to 64. All right, so let's do the next one. We got 3 times 7, that's 21, carry the 2. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 2 is 26, carry the 2. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5, and 3 times 2 is 6. Now I'm going to estimate, so I'm going to round this to a pretty simple number. Let's go with 20. So 21 and 78 hundredths is close to 20. So 20 times 3 is 60. So in order for this to be close to 60, I got to put the decimal between the 5 and the 6, because 65 and 61 hundredths is close to 60. Now I'm not done yet, because I still need to figure out what he spent total in paint, which is all of this. So I'm going to take this product and add it to this product. So I have 65 and 61 hundredths. Add these two and I have 9. 14, carry the 1. We have 8, and then 12. So this is my total. And if I added my estimates together, you can see that my estimates would be 124, and that's pretty close to my estimate. And I still have to put this in a sentence that answers the question. So we have how much will Tim spend in all on paint? So you're going to write Tim will spend $128.49 on paint.